Events like the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival are really critical for the community because it's an opportunity to bring everyone together in one place, to share stories and to ask questions and to learn about what the other vehicles are and how they modify their trucks and what has worked for one guy and not worked for another. So it really provides an active forum and an organic forum for people to be able to communicate their concerns or their interests or what they want to learn. You can meet with other people that have maybe been to the place that you want to travel, and they can share some little tidbits of information of, hey, go to Baja, but maybe avoid Mexico City. Things like that that you really do need to know so that you have the best possible experience